So now that we have the structure done for our skyscraper, just like yesterday when we did the 1 point, let's do something different to this building, okay? Let's do kind of like that brick or grid pattern to make it look like a skyscraper that's covered in big glass panels or big slabs of granite or something like that. So to do that, what I'm going to want to do is use that first vertical line that I drew to start and just make little marks. I can measure them out. Actually, I got pretty lucky and my building's 8 inches exactly. So I could go in and mark at every inch. Guys, please listen. Okay? If yours doesn't come out to an exact measurement, it's really no big deal. You can just eyeball the measurements. That's fine. Okay? So again, we're just using that corner of the building to make little measurements on. You can use your ruler or you can just eyeball it. Okay? In 2-point perspective, horizontal lines do not exist. The only horizontal line we have is the horizon line. Any other place where we would normally want to draw a horizontal line, it has to be an orthogonal line. So this stripe or grid pattern on my building, where I would want it to be horizontal, I have to use orthogonal lines instead. So I'm going to use each one of these little marks that I made on the corner and line them up to the vanishing points on each side to create orthogonal lines to start this kind of structure of my brick pattern. You'll notice that the lines at the top of the building angle down. The lines at the bottom of the building angle up. And you also see the difference where the building is now taller than us. We didn't have to do that funny step where we crisscrossed opposite vanishing points to opposite corners. Because we don't see the top of the building, it's a step that we just don't have to do when we have a skyscraper. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the left side of my building, and I'm going to do the same thing with the left vanishing point. Again, where I would want horizontal lines, I'm going to remember that the lines are now orthogonal. So tell yourself when you're drawing in like your windows or doors, if you would want to normally draw a horizontal line, you have to convert it to an orthogonal. Okay? I could leave it like that if I wanted stripes. If I wanted to do a brick pattern or a grid, vertical lines are perfectly fine. Okay? So I can go in and do my vertical lines if I wanted. For mine, I think I'm going to leave it like that. You can make your decision.